Hello everyone, here we are at OpenC.io. We are at the Cryptopunk NFT collections page, homepage. As you can see, there is a lot of pixelated art. So this Cryptopunk was one of the earlier pioneers of the NFT collection, and it compromises of pixelated human digital avatars, and it is a collection of over 10K that have sold out and is one of the most popular NFTs. So today we are going to draw a similar pixelated NFT art with our mobile phone. So I'm using an Android device. I'm going to head over to the Play Store and download the needed app for this exercise. The name of the app is 8-Bit Painter. So once you search for it, you're going to install it on your mobile device. It takes around 18 MB to get done. Once it's done, you can launch it. I think if you're using an iPhone, there should be a similar app on the App Store. Once I've launched my device, I'm going to skip once I've launched the app, I'm going to skip the onboarding and head straight to the main functions. At the app homepage, you can see some of their preset drawings. You're going to click on the plus sign, which will bring up a pop-up asking you the size of the canvas you want. For this exercise, I'm going to go with the 32 by 32 pixel canvas size. So clicking on that will launch a new canvas which is pixelated by 32 bits horizontally by 32 bits vertically. And you can see we have some functions at the bottom which allows us to paint, pick a color, select a color from the palette, zoom in and zoom out and hide the grid. So I'm going to choose your color from the palette and press on the plus sign to add it onto the palette. Now you can start drawing your artwork on the canvas. I'm going to start with drawing the head, then I'll fill in. Once I like the shape of the head, I can go ahead by filling in the color of the hair and the beard. Then I'll head back to the color palette and choose a skin tone, a color for the skin tone, and I'm going to just paint that right in. And once it's okay, I'll add the facial features, the mouth, nose, and eyes. Once I'm okay with that, so I'll go back to the palette, pick a color, and add for the background. And I'm going to just paint in the background with this cyan color. Once it's okay, you can go ahead and export your drawing by clicking on the three dots at the top and going to share and export. I'm going to click on the export. Now we have our image saved on our mobile. I'm going to export that to my computer so I can upload it onto OpenC for sale. Okay, here we are at OpenC. To upload an NFT, you will need a crypto wallet. I have already connected mine, and if you want to know how to connect yours, there's a video at the link in the description that you can use to create your MetaMask wallet. Once you've created that, you can just click on the create, and here you upload your image and the name and description and other information. At the bottom, I'm going to select Polygon instead of the Ethereum blockchain because the Polygon allows for free gas fees. So once I click on create, our NFT has been uploaded. To sell that, you're going to click at the top and click on the sell. Choose a price for this work. I'm going to choose my default price of 0.301 Ethereum and change the days from 7 to a month and complete the listing. It will require me to sign to confirm that. So once I've done that, I will now be able to sell this in OpenC. So hope this was helpful. If there was anything you feel like I should emphasize more, I would really like to hear your thoughts on that. Leave a like, consider subscribing as well. It helps the channel. I hope to see you on the next one.